Hi everyone, in this video we'll see what is in by metric, what is in by dimension, what is drill down option and what is optional metrics. Okay, so before that we'll have a look at our source data. So this is our source data showing the following columns: order, date, region, city, category and the rows. Okay, so according to Google Data Studio, all the columns are considered as dimensions. So order date is a dimension, region is a dimension, city is a dimension. All the rows are considered as metrics. Okay, so this sale of bars, sale of carrot and sale of whole wheat, this every row is considered as a metric. Okay, so let us try creating a table using this. Okay, so I'm going to how to create a table. I'm going to click add a chart and click on the table, and where I want to place the table, I'll place the table here. Okay, so now the table is generated. What should be displayed in this table, that I can edit in the scroll bar option given here. Okay, so the dimension, what is dimension? Dimensions are column headings. Okay, here the dimension is order date by default. We don't want order date, rather we can have the dimension as the region of the country. Okay, I have region as a dimension. We can add multiple dimensions. Okay, for example, I want to add city as another dimension. So now we have region wise sales, region wise, city wise, a number of sales. Okay, number of sales in each category. Okay, so what is drill down actually? Drill down is nothing but it is going to it is an option in which only one of the dimensions will be visible initially in the final dashboard, which can be further drilled down to view further data. In simple terms, using this drill down option will enable us to present data in a simpler way, and the granularity can be increased based on the requirement of the end user. Okay, so if I'm clicking drill down, what should be in my drill down? City. I want my city to be in drill down. Okay, so when I'm drilling down, that is initially it will be like this. When I'm drilling down, it will show the cities. Okay, similarly here we have in the this so our similarly we can add any number of dimensions to our uh, to our tables. Okay, any number of dimensions can be added. Okay, so now we will show what is meant by metrics. Metrics are nothing but quantitative data which is generally shown in rows. Okay, so here one metric we have is record count. Maybe we can add another metric called total price, which is the total sales happening. Okay, now I want to have this as an optional metric, which means this total price will come only when I actually wanted it. Okay, I'll show you the demo how it looks like. Okay, this is the view button and I'm clicking view. The this is the fire dashboard which will be shown to the end user. Okay, so this table contains only region wise sales and the number of sales which is being made. Okay, in case I want to know in which city how many number of sales is made, then I can drill down from region wise data to city down data by clicking here. So city wise data is being displayed and the number of sales is being mentioned here. Now I don't want the number of sales, rather I want the uh, total revenue which is being generated. Okay, so I can click this and this is optional metrics, and I can choose the total price. Okay, so now city wise how much data, how much sales is being made, revenue is being made is displayed. I can see a similar data for region wise also. If I want all I mean both the record count and total price also, even that is possible. This is region wise data and this is city wise data. So this is the utility of this optional metrics and the drill down option. So for example we are dealing with, I mean for example sake, we are dealing with a smaller data set and with limited number of categories under each dimension. This can be used to any number of data, and to any number of dimensions and metrics can be added. We'll work on more complicated, complex dashboards and deal with complicated data in our upcoming videos. Thank you.